Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change preferences on Plenty of Fish, that is a dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser. I'm gonna open Firefox, which is my main web browser on this PC, and I'm gonna search Plenty of Fish on my URL. Now after you have searched Plenty of Fish, then you can see the link here, which is www.pof.com. Now click on this link and it will send you to this web page. Now after you have come to this web page, go to search bar that is on this top page of this web page. Now after you went here, as you can see, it will take you to this web page. Now as you can see here, to change the preferences of your Plenty of Fish, you can go to bio and you can put the limitation here. Minimum height, let's see 5 feet, and maximum height, let's say 5'6". Ethnicity can be anything for me. Body type, maybe athletic, and eye color, maybe blue, and hair color, black. Now I can also change the background, saying I am interested on Buddhist. Their education should be up to bachelor's degree, income maybe 35 to 50, and they should be single. Also, I also want to know about if they have longest relationship over 2 years or 3 years. And I can also change the preferences to their lifestyle too. Are they a smoker or not? Or do they do drugs? Or do they drinks or not? So also if they want children or not. So I don't want anyone with children's, or if they want to have children's, then no, and hit on go fishing, and after that you'll get many matches. But I'm on a different location, so I'm not getting any matches with these preferences, but you got the idea. And this is how you change preferences on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.